universal Korky longer lasting refill valve. It's a lot quieter, and he said that it installs just like a Fluidmaster. So this is what I'm going to put on. Let me show you the little bit of tools that you're going to need, and you probably have them just lying around the house. An adjustable wrench, a pair of pliers, any one will do, a bucket, a sponge, a towel for any water that spills, and a pair of scissors to cut your refill tank tube to the right length. The first thing we need to do is locate our water shutoff valve. It's usually located on the wall or the floor behind your toilet with an oval shaped knob on it. When you locate that, turn it counterclockwise to shut off the water supply. Now flush the toilet and hold it down until the tank is completely empty. That way when you take it apart, there won't be much water coming out. Now we're going to disconnect our water line from our tank. Then that hose go all the way up to there, and that connects our water line to our toilet. I told you to use some channel locks, but use whatever you have to take this nut off right here. I'm going to use a pair of pliers, big pliers, and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise until it's loosened a little bit. Then the rest I'm going to untighten with my hands. Now we disconnect the water line. Now the fill valve has a bolt on it right here. We need to take that off. That way we can pull it out from inside the tank. Get your adjustable wrench, put it on that lock nut. Now this bowl held a little bit of water because our old float valve is still inside of it. Let's sit our bucket up underneath, move our water line out of the way. Then we put our bucket or a small cup or whatever you have. Now we lift the fill valve straight out. We're going to take our sponge and we're going to push the rest of the water that's in it down. This hole right here is where our old fill valve was, and that's where our new one's going to be. We're going to slide our new one right in there. We need to clean that debris off that's around it too, or there won't be no leak. We're going to put our hose on first before we put it inside the tank, because we don't want to damage the seal, because this hose sometimes can be really tough getting on there. We got it on there. We're going to adjust the height. This line on the side there is going to be 1 inch down, 1 inch down from the top of here. So we're going to go from here 1 inch down and try to line it up with the line that's on the side right here. I can come up a few inches, give it a twist, pull it out some, and lock it. Right there, it looks good. If your toilet fills up too fast, you can adjust your water levels by turning this nifty little knob on the top of this. Right where your hose is, there's a knob where you can just adjust your water level. If your water level rises too fast before your toilet fills up, then you need to turn it down some. Mine is wide open. I have a big mouth toilet. But if you have a small toilet and you don't need that much water, use this to adjust your water level that's inside your bowl. This little nifty little knob right here is for that. So I'm satisfied with where this is at. It could be a little bit higher, but I'm happy with that. The good thing about this Korky was, it was made for you to hand tighten. You can hand tighten this, that'd be good. Or if you want to take your wrench and give it a quarter turn after you hand tighten, that's fine. I'm pretty strong, so I can just twist this on. Keep it straight, push down on it, give it a push down on top of your unit. Really smash that rubber washer into your bowl when you're screwing it. Push down on it and continue to hand tighten. Okay, we will tighten it a little bit underneath. Now let's put our clip on. This clip here just goes inside. Give it a good push. Push it all the way in as far as you can get it. And this piece here goes right over top of your clip like that. And then there's a nifty little clip on the back of it right here, and that clip slides right onto your, well, it looks like this is going to need cut again, but what I can do is just turn it around like that, give it a good turn, and then just clip it on the opposite side. No big deal, just like that. Now I want to point something out to you. Make sure you connect your water line to your valve before you turn the water on. Now we're going to turn the water on. There's a lot of videos where they say make a mark in your toilet bowl for you can give it a flush and see where your water line ends up. And if it's not there, turn it down. If it's too low, turn it up. A lot of toilets naturally have a little round circle inside of them that kind of shows you where the toilet line is supposed to be. Just take a good look at your toilet and look inside. There should be an indent somewhere where your water normally is supposed to go. I am so glad you took the time out to watch my video. I enjoyed myself, because I knew you was watching. If there's anything that I missed and any step that I should have done first, can you leave it down in a comment? This is like my third one I ever done, and I'm trying to get better at it so I can help more people. And if you're interested in the Korky Universal Long-Lasting Refill Valve, there's a link down in the description. Now, in the moment we've been waiting for, the sound test. I have a lapel mic on so you'll be able to hear it.